Tired of playing the same old happy birthday? Many pianists rely on one rigid arrangement for years, but great musicians know how to adapt to suit different conditions. Imagine interfretly shifting your playing style on the fly for a baby's party. For a teenager. For grandpa. For a friend. You don't need a natural gift to do this. You just need the right knowledge and play-by-ear skills. With the play-by-ear method, you will learn to understand the building blocks of music, hear how different chords and melodies fit together, improvise and adapt songs to suit any mood or occasion. Join the ranks of musicians who play with absolute freedom. Ready to unlock your musical potential? Tell me about your current pianist experience, and I'll send you a few free beginner tips to get started. Click on the WhatsApp button and let's start talking how you can bring your playing to the next level.